A little bit of a different video this week. We had a week full of arranging stuff, driving from one place to the next, getting stuff done for ID cards, bank accounts, all that kind of stuff. That's still going to take more time, but yeah, that's why we don't have a lot of footage of me working in the barn. I did make it a bit more my own. Yeah, decorated it a little bit. And got my beer brewing stuff out of the container. I don't think I showed this room yet. We now use it to skate. The first plan was to make it a temporary workshop for me so I could work on small projects like building guitars or whatever. We use it to roller skate now, but there's water here and there's power, and one of the things I like to do also is brew beer. So I decided to get my beer brewing equipment and install that here. More on that in a future video. Next week's video will be 2 months here, and I will show you a bit why, or I will show you a lot about why I've been drawing the upstairs part of the barn. And yeah, that's going to be really exciting.